In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 ChatGPT hacks you should know if you want to save time, work smarter, and get more value out of ChatGPT. These 5 practical uses can make a big difference in your daily routine. The key is not just using ChatGPT casually, but using it with intention. One of the best ways to use ChatGPT is as a personal assistant. It can help you manage schedules, organize to-do lists, plan your day, and build simple productivity systems that keep you on track. This is especially useful when you have multiple priorities competing for your attention. Instead of trying to mentally juggle everything, you can ask ChatGPT to structure your tasks into a clear plan. For example, you might say, create a daily productivity schedule based on my goals and deadlines. That kind of prompt gives you a practical starting point and helps reduce decision fatigue. Another powerful hack is getting better answers by writing better prompts. ChatGPT works best when you give it clear instructions, useful context, and a specific outcome. You can also tell it what tone or format you want, and even assign it a role to improve the quality of the response. For instance, you could say, act as a marketing expert and create a 30-day social media strategy. If the first answer is not quite right, follow up and refine it. Think of it as a conversation, not a one-time command. ChatGPT is also excellent for summarizing information instantly. If you are dealing with long articles, reports, or study notes, it can turn them into key takeaways much faster than reading everything in full. This is great for creating study guides, executive summaries, or just understanding the main idea quickly. A useful prompt here would be summarize this article into 5 key points and actionable insights. This can save hours and help you focus on what matters most. You can also use ChatGPT to generate content faster. Whether you need blog post ideas, emails, scripts, or social media captions, it can help you brainstorm, outline, and rewrite content in seconds. This is a great way to overcome writer's block and keep momentum when you're creating. A simple example is generate 20 blog post ideas for a digital marketing website. Finally, ChatGPT can help you learn new skills more effectively. It can explain concepts in a personalized way, walk you through tutorials, help you practice, and even create quizzes or study materials. This makes learning more interactive and flexible. For example, you could say, teach me Python programming with a 30-day beginner learning plan. When you use ChatGPT in these ways, it becomes much more than a chatbot. It becomes a tool for productivity, creativity, and learning.